Hello guys, welcome to IGC. Good morning guys. So you all were very happy on exam day, but some of you may not be that happy today, right? That happens in easy paper. Am I correct? Good morning guys. Am I audible? Those who are watching this session on YT as well as on IGC online platform, please respond. Am I audible? Perfect guys. So very good morning guys and congratulations to you all, whoever got a decent rank as well as a good gate score. So don't worry guys about rank alone. Gate scores are good actually. Abhishek, this year gate is obtained again. Rank is better than last year. Okay, so not to worry. That is one good part. Second thing, gate score factor was less compared to previous year. Yeah, this year it is around 11.15, right? Yesterday I shared the gate score factor is 11.15, but if you see in mechanical paper also it is not that high. So hopefully you guys should be safe in your journey of admission. Yeah. So guys, this is all about GATE 2025-2026 courses by IGC for aerospace engineering. We do provide best GATE online coaching. We also have recorded course called Target GATE course, GATE online test series, which is provided to very specific students, only mainly self-learning students. And then we have distance learning program. If you guys are from some X or Y GATE coaching institute, then this course may not be offered to you. Okay. Now, guys, this is in brief about me, myself, Dinesh Kumar Maheshwari. I am organizer come chief mentor at IGC. Okay. So, in brief, and my Alma institutes are SI New Delhi and IIT Madras. And somebody want to put RTI, they can put and check because some blah blah people were telling. And I have 14 plus years of teaching experience as well as 9 plus of industrial experience. Okay, so so this is in brief about myself. Now this session is all about this session is all about So this session is all about post gate 2024 A result, and you guys might have many queries. So you guys can write your queries in chat box. Okay. Yeah, I will answer. Okay, guys, with datas, whatever queries you guys have. Okay, and anyway, I have already done sessions regarding which IIT who will get and all. Okay, so you guys should refer those session. But here I will again brush all those things. Okay, in brief. So the next part is GATE 2024 Aerospace Engineering result from IGC. So best rank is AR2, AR6 and AR9. Result seems to be good for others, but I am not happy with this result because IGC have much more capabilities to do well. Okay, because paper was easy and easy paper is not a good choice for IGC always, and it is again not a good choice for sincere students, but still those who do silly mistakes. So here, actual learning was not tested. It was more about if you have prepared well and then how accurate you are. So that was all about GATE 2024 aerospace engineering result. Now, guys, look into this analysis which I have done for GATE 2024 versus GATE 2023. So, guys, both year, last year also we got AR2, this year also we got AR2, and this year the GATE score with AR2 is 950. Last year it was 953. Now, guys, if you take marks, if you take 2024 marks, how much marks in 2024? It was 85.33 marks. But if you take GATE 2023 marks for the same AR2, Okay, in 2023, if you take, marks were around 71. But guys, are you finding any difference in gate score? Are you guys finding any difference in gate score? There is no difference, right? So marks are just making happy people. Okay, there is not much of sense of marks, right? What matters? This gate score. Now, guys, if you take AR 11, what was the gate score last year? It was 806, but this year it is 827. So the people have better gate score this year. Okay. If you take AR 22, the last year gate score was 766. This year it is what? 773. If you compare with AR 39 this year, gate score is 727, and last year it was 713 for AR 37. So you can see the down the line, the gate score against marks and rank is better this year. So guys, the admission in admission this will help you guys, but the only thing, this year more people got qualified. Okay, because many did well even with less preparation, so average is high. So of course, gate score factor is less, but still, due to high marks, the gate score, overall gate score is better. If you take AR 53 this year, it is 704, and AR 56 last year it was 686. AR 80, guys, this year it is 670, and last year it was 655. Everyone, right? So this year it's a win-win situation, but the only loss, many people who are deserving two-digit decent rank, they are getting also three-digit rank. So that's where, the people Siloid, this year gate score factor is around 11. This year gate score factor is around 11, and last year it was 13.5 plus. Okay, so that's what the difference. But overall, not much change in result. The only change, many who were deserving better rank, they got suffered due to easy paper. Now, if you take AR 106, this year the gate score is 639, and with AR 104 last year it was 620, AR 166 this year 585, and 161 last year 558. Same way AR 199 this year 566. It's a very good gate score. And last year with 197 it was 526. Now AR 221 this year gate score is 547. Last year with AR 225 gate score was 509. AR 249 this year 531. AR 259 last year it was just 495. Okay, so clear guys, this result analysis, yes or no guys? Anybody have any doubt in this part, the how result is varying compared to last year? So this year result is better. Mukund, Nilesh, everyone, this year's result is better. Only one thing is there may be some candidate from fourth year, maybe from third year, or some candidate who were more accurate in exam, they have better rank, we even with less preparation. But still, in IGC we have got uh, good number of ranks, but still not that happy because paper was easy. I don't believe. Yeah, it's a good gate score. Aishwarya 477 is really good gate score, because I will show now. I'll recap those cutoff datas from last year. Okay. Now, guys, the next part. What you guys should do now. So you guys can apply in plenty of the courses which are available if you are having a valid gate score. Guys, AR 1000 is also good. Guys, AR 1000 is also good if your gate score is 550 around. Okay. AER 2000 is also good if your gate score is 450. Okay. So rank doesn't matter in admission at all. What matter? Gate score. Okay. Yeah, Shrey, we will. Yeah, you have any questions, Shrey? You can ask. So now, guys, if you have a valid GATE score, these are the courses which we have already discussed. You can apply MTech, ME, MS Research, MTech Research, Masters of Design, direct PhD under PM scholarship. That will be like once you join, then only you can convert management courses, masters abroad, and all these all we have already discussed. Now comes to different areas. With EWS, Amit, you just qualified, so mostly you can expect tier 2 college through CCMT, or maybe some course in new IIT possible towards the end, maybe mostly July last, August, sometime later, when many seats will be dropped out. Or you may try direct PhD. 493 is Shrey, quite good score. If you have EWS, you will get IIT Kharagpur as per the last year trend. You may get IIT Kanpur also. 493 is a quite good get score. Okay, anyway, you can apply in IIT Roper and other places. Yeah, Mukund, with your category, 373 is a good score. You will get in good IITs. Okay. Now, guys, these are the different areas you guys can explore for your whichever program you want to opt. Now, guys, yeah, 385 is good score. If you are having SC/ST, if you are having EWS OBC, you are on edge. You may get something in new IITs, in research, you may not. But IST, you may get. IIST Trivandrum as per the last year. So these are the the best options available, guys. You guys can apply. Mostly, guys, if you are having a gate score of 500 plus minus, you should apply on all these places. Okay. Yeah, it is good gate score, not bad in EWS. I will share cutoff, Raval. You guys can, go through cutoffs, then you will get idea. Yeah, 480 with EWS is very good score. Srivastava, Ujjwal. You have to apply. I cannot tell which IIT old you will get it or not, but I will share the data. Mostly auspicious, you should get it. IT KGP, you should get with 608. I will share the cutoff. Okay, I'll recap those things which already has been done. So those who are watching this session can thumbs up if you guys are finding this session is useful on YT. Okay, so let's move further. Okay, so let's move further. So there are other options, tier one options. If your gate score is like 400 plus minus, so you guys must apply additionally in these research courses. Along with that, you guys can apply in like IIT Mandi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Delhi. Uh, uh, Vignesh 593 in general is not bad. Any gate score 550 plus should be good in general, usually. Okay. So we have discussed on this also. Ujjwal, you understood where all you should apply. So you should apply tier one first choice, and then tier one second choice also. Everyone who have 400 plus minus gate score, they must apply in tier one also, first choice, and tier one second preference or second choice. Now, guys, there are tier 3 options. If your gate score is valid and it is 350 plus minus, then you guys must apply along with tier 1 choices and these IIT Trivandrum, DIIT Pune, NIT Surat, and these are all different places through CCMT. Clear, guys? So, any doubt? Yeah. So Amit, for you, preferably tier one second choices and tier two. Yeah, through CCMT. CCMT is like COAP. CCMT is a portal for admission in tier two colleges in NITs and others. You can explore. I have shared link in previous session also. Om and Nilesh. But IIST is not part of CCMT. It is not part of CCMT. They have their own direct admission options. Okay. Now, guys, there are tier one, but choice or an option. So, Amit, you can always apply for direct PhD because your gate score is valid. Okay, so guys, try direct PhD wherever you can apply in a relevant area like IIT Jodhpur. If you take in IIT Jodhpur, last year one of two IGC student got offer for direct PhD, two got and one joined in space engineering. Amit, in space engineering, somebody got offer, two people got offer, one joined. Okay, in IIT Jodhpur with 350 to 350 around gate score, or maybe around 400 gate score. Okay, 350 to 400. Okay. Now, guys, EWS means economically weaker section. Economically weaker section. Okay, and this is in general. If you are in general category, Devadita De, and if you fall in EWS category, you can Google it. Vignesh, we have discussed about IIT Bombay part already, and I will share the fact about IIT Bombay today also. Okay, so let me share you details. Yeah, I will come to that point, Aishwarya. That also. So let me further. Yes, you have good chances in IIT Kharagpur. IIT Hyderabad may not, because in IIT Hyderabad number of seats are less, but there is a self finance seats are there in IIT Hyderabad. You can apply. See, you have to apply. Okay, Mukund will discuss on your part also. I cannot decide, I cannot tell. We can discuss on everything. Okay, with facts. Now, guys, there are other tier 3 options if you have a valid gate score. Okay, any valid gate score. If you just cleared cutoff, you can apply in these other options also, like IIEST Shipur, MIT Chennai, uh, VIIT Bangalore, states government colleges, Energy Institute Bangalore, and many more. So there are ample number of options to do masters in India or utilize your valid gate score, furthering your educational qualification, and same time you can prepare again for gate 2025. Okay. If you are not happy with the college and course, you can join. You may get stipend also, stipend, MHRD scholarship, and prepare for gate 2025. Now, guys, there are other options like you can do your masters from abroad, from Germany and Singapore. We have already discussed earlier. Now, how to prepare for interviews. So you guys must go through all these basics books as per your area of interest, like subjects, and these are the reference books mentioned earlier. Also, we have discussed on this part. You have to have those certificates during COAP. When you apply in COAP, you need to have certificate ready. Okay, now come to cutoff part where you guys can see where you guys can get admission or not. So in ISC Bangalore, based on IGC student data for 2023 admission, in general cutoff was 649. In OBC also it's same sorry, not 649, 749. In OBC also 749. In EWS 740. I don't have any data for SCST. For MTech research program, you guys can see if your gate score is more than 600 in general EWS, and if your gate score is more than 420 in SEST, you can apply for MTech research in ISC Bangalore. We also got one of our students in general category with 749 gate score in robotics, and we got one guy in MTech research in propulsion with a gate score of 620. Clear? So all doubts are clear about guys ISC Bangalore as per the GATE 2023 data. These data may subjected to change year by year. Sometimes ISC cutoffs are quite high because they may give admission to non-aero branches people also. Okay, for MTech seats, because ISC is a hot option, or the people prefer ISC as a best option, to pursue their masters. So, any doubt, guys, regarding ISC Bangalore? Anyone who is having very good rank and want to get in ISC? Devendra, if you are having some certificate, then only you may get with your rank. Okay. Jashwant, Balaji, you guys have chances. Okay. So you guys must apply. But Devendra, you can apply for MTech research program. Others also who are having. No, where you will get Sanjeev? In OBC cutoff is 749, na? Your gate score is 749 above. Yeah, in MS you will get na call. If your gate score is above 600, they will call for MS interview. Yeah, you will get a call for sure, mostly. Okay, so let's move from ISC Bangalore to next institute where you guys might be looking is next hot institute is what? IIT Bombay. Now, Mukund, in IIT Bombay, of course, the lowest cutoff is triple three. So you have chances. Okay, clear? And those who are having OBC, if they can stay till sport round or till last rounds, then they also have chances for 50. And in general and EWS, you can see cutoff is less, but by the time these seats will be available with such low cutoff, most of you might have taken admission in other institutes like in IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras, and all. And there are different specialization from IIT Bombay. You guys can go through details on IIT Bombay website, or we will be having a post gate session on Thursday on IIT Bombay, so you guys can discuss more. Now if you take admission data from IGC, so 586, so Sanjeev, you have chances to get in IIT Bombay, because here 611 is what cutoff. But again, by the time IIT Bombay offer you a seat, you may have to freeze your seat in IIT Kanpur or in IIT Madras. That can be a scenario. Same way in EWS, the gate score it is 522 from IGC data. You check now with your gate score, Abhishek. I think your gate score is you are if you are EWS you may have chance, but if you are OBC may not. Yeah, it is possible. Devadatta, I have given now all options. If your gate score is 400 plus minus, you must apply in all the available places. MTech programs, MTech research program, and tier 2 colleges also. Okay. So, guys, again, if this session is useful, those who are watching this session on YouTube, they can thumbs up. Guys, quickly thumbs up if this session is making sense for you guys. Okay. Now let's move to next part. Yeah, Aishwarya, cutoff varies year to year because the admission is very complicated. It is not just aero alone they consider. Non-aero branches, people also get admission in MTech Aerospace through their mother branches. And every year gate score varies. Even IIT give admission to last 3 years gate score holders. So it's not necessary you are having gate score this year, you will be more preferred. No. Somebody is having if gate score, valid gate score and better gate score from 2023, they may give admission to them. Okay. Now IIT Kanpur cutoffs. So IIT Kanpur cutoffs you guys can see in general it is 544. So 544 means today I think we discussed right AR 119 What was the gate score we discussed guys for AR 199? What is the gate score? In data, yeah, AR 199. So 566 gate score. AR 199 is this year it is 566. So that guy may have category also, right? Not necessary. So that guy also have fair chances to get in IIT Kanpur because in IIT Kanpur there are so many seats, there are so many specializations. So getting in IIT may not be tough, but after getting in IIT, you have to work hard to get placed. Clear? Abhishek, others, those who are watching this session, getting in IIT after a decent gate score may not be a tough task. But after getting in IIT, you have to work harder to get good job. Okay? Because when more people are there, more competition will be there. Okay? So you guys are watching this session but may not be finding useful, right? It seems so. Very less thumbs up, huh? Those who are watching sessions not finding useful, I'm okay, but I still asking this because if you are watching then this session may be useful, right? Okay, anyway, let's me answer other queries. Okay, so you can see Aishwarya with your gate score with OBC, you can get IIT Kanpur also. Okay, possibility is there. Yeah, why not? Shrey, you must apply because sometime if seats are available, you may get it. If your gate score is above 500, you should apply. I think it is not 500, but still you can apply. There is no harm in applying. Okay, don't do mistake. Ki my gate score was such and such, and I have not applied. No, if your gate score is valid, you should apply to all higher colleges. Okay, sometime luck matters. Okay, now MS program. So Shrey, you must apply for MS also in IIT Kanpur. MS program, you can see in aerospace structures where you are interested, Shrey. The cutoff was not cut off. IGC student with 433 gate score got it. Okay, so like that, you should apply in all the places because your gate score is 500 minus around. Okay, now PhD also you can apply in general with gate score of 460. One guy got direct PhD. Okay, and these are the areas you guys can explore on IIT Kanpur, and IIT Kanpur sessions we have already done where we have mentioned many details about IIT Kanpur, including the number of seats and all other details. Yeah, in EWS there is a possibility in Spiron with 385 score you may get like college like IIT Indore and all. Okay. Yeah, possibilities there. 385 is a valid gate score. There are many possibilities. 2024 cutoffs, why you want Vignesh? You want 2023 cutoffs, right? You want 2023 admission cutoff. Some institutes share cutoffs, some institutes do not share cutoffs. Like in IIT Kanpur, we do not get cutoffs. This is really tricky. Cutoff is not depend on paper. It will be depend on gate score, and then number of seats available for aero and non-aero people. So Sai Loit, don't get into that. It's like big ocean. Admission is tricky, not that straightforward. Now IIT Madras. So IIT Madras also we have done the session. I think result came yesterday only. We did session on ISC Bangalore and IIT Madras. So you guys can go through the difference between HTTA and non-HTTA. Okay, so in IIT Madras, uh, here these cutoffs are there. These cutoffs are there for HTTA seats. Okay, and non-HTTA also in IGC admission included. So in EWS, the Mr. Inspiron, in EWS you can get IIT Madras also. Okay, but non-HTTA as per the last year data. I am sharing na Kumar. All these options only I am sharing na. Ki what you should do with 380 gate score. Now, guys, general it was high 655, EWS 353, OBC 531, and SCST 309 from IGC data. So, Mukunda, you have good chances to get in IIT Madras also. No, it is not like that, Aishwarya. What research background you have in BTech? If you have, it's well and good. If you are not having, let's make it now. Shrey, no, you are having. You can get na MS call. For MS, I have given na cutoff. Last year, majority of the students who got MS in IIT Madras, they were from IGC, but most of them didn't join. Yeah, MS is possible, Shrey. You may get call for interview. They may take first written, then interview. Because there are, I believe, there are 23 seats for MS in IIT Madras. Okay? Yeah, we will Weber talk that also. Okay? I have that data. Okay, so Yeah, IIST chances is there because gate is cutoff was 350 last year, Prithvi. We'll discuss that also. Now IIT Kharagpur. So some people were asking doubt about IIT Kharagpur. Now guys, Ravi Teja, yes, I told na. With the cutoff part, it is possible, but you will be available to opt IIT Bombay seat or not. That I cannot assure. With your gate score, you have chance. Okay, but when IIT Bombay will offer you, that is all jiggle. Okay. Inspiron again. I am telling. Go through. Already shared the initial part of this session. You will get your answer. Which all places you should apply. So general 589 IIT Madras non HTTA possible. I think no. It is 655. Others may not possible. But you should apply. This cutoff may vary. Yeah, now come to IIT COAP. Once it starts, we will inform you guys. We'll prepare one session also on COAP process. We'll share. Now come to IIT Kharagpur cutoffs. So these are official cutoffs. General, it is 509. EWS, Inspiron, you can apply in IIT Kharagpur also and you may get in because you are at edge. Okay, I cannot assure, but Thana boast. Why you are so early? Why I will share the details of OBC category highest and all. I'm not interested to share that, and currently I'm not collected also. Okay, so IIT Kharagpur result. Now general from IGC data 603 with general got in and with OBC 455. So now I can answer Aishwarya. Aishwarya, we have done plenty of the session for MS. You can go through those session. You should not ask everything. Okay. Vaibhav, this is only for MS. Yes, but for MTech, no interview and written nowadays in IIT Kanpur. Yes, yes, I understood, Vaibhav. But they should go, na? We have given many session on MS also. One particular session is there, MS IIT Kanpur also. This year also we will do. No, 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 no problem, Vaibhav. You have answered good. You have reduced my work down, my work. No problem. Yeah. Now, sir, MS plus PhD option aren't there. No, it is only direct PhD. There is nothing called MS plus PhD. You can join MS and then later convert in PhD, but you cannot easily do reverse. Okay. Who is this Thana boss asking same question? I'm not going to answer that. Okay. So, Aishwarya, IIT Kharagpur also you may have option. Okay. Now, guys, there are plenty of new IITs and other related course. So, somebody was asking about IIT Hyderabad. So, in IIT Hyderabad, as the number of seats are very less, we got two admission in IIT Hyderabad. One guy OBC, yes, uh, Hyderabad Aishwarya, you may get in. Okay, 438 gate score. Anaga got in IIT Hyderabad, so you should apply there also. Okay, then IIT Bhubaneswar in general 442, and it's a good course. Climate science and technology placement is quite good there, and then you guys can C, IIT Roper, Shrey, we have already discussed. So you should apply. You guys should apply in all these places, and you guys can see SC/ST cutoff. It's very less, 260 around. Okay, in IIT Roper. So you guys apply accordingly. Now, guys, cutoff for IST Trivandrum. So in IST Trivandrum, you guys can see cutoffs are very less, 350 around. So Prithvi and others, whoever having 350 plus gate score in general, they must apply in IST Trivandrum also. And nowadays, placement is improving, guys. In IST Trivandrum also, IGC student getting placed. Okay, that's what feedback I have. In fact, one of IGC student earlier from IST Trivandrum, I think from 2022 batch, 2023 batch, joined Boeing in off campus. Okay, so guys, not to worry, you can definitely apply there, Shrey, and in fact, many good companies will come in structural analysis for placement. Yeah, of course, it is possible, na Prithvi, because OBC cutoff you can see 315. From IGC itself, we got with 340 gate score, and from IGC we got total 11 student in IST Trivandrum. Clear, guys? So anybody have any doubt? IIT Indore is a good place for placement. See, placement is good in every IIT. Placement may not be good in every IIT. I think placement depends on individual capability, guys. If IST student can get in Boeing, and somebody 10 CGPA holder may also not get placed in IIT Kanpur. Okay, so I don't suggest colleges just based on placement. You have to get college because you may not have performed that well in GATE, right? Or if you want to get top college, join any tier 2, tier 1 college, and then prepare again for GATE. Yeah, of course, coursework is harder. ISC is more mathematics oriented. Now, somebody was talking about CCMT. What is CCMT? So, you guys can see this is the link for CCMT cutoffs, and all the details are there in CCMT portal. Which all institutes are there, which all gate papers are valid, and all the details you can find on this link for CCMT. And from IGC last year, very less people joined, or joined who or those who joined. I have detail. There may be people I may not have detail. So one guy joined in NIT Bhopal with a gate score of 366 in OBC, and one guy joined in SCST 246 gate score, MNIT Jaipur. Okay, but prior in 2022 and other years, many people may have joined in different NITs like NIT Warangal, NIT Trichy, NIT Surat, NIT Prayagraj. These are many good options. Okay, and along with this, there is a DIIT Pune. I think last year, uh, from IGC, hardly anybody joined in DIIT, as well as nobody joined in the college called, guys, IIT Dharwad. In 2022, many joined, okay, IIT Dharwad, but in 2023, nobody joined. Okay, so you guys can apply in IIT Dharwad also. In IIT Dharwad also, both options are there. MET, MTech also there in IIT Dharwad, and MS also there. So those who are having less gate score, they can apply in IIT Dharwad also. Okay, at least they will get a chance to study in IIT. There, if they perform well, they will have a bright future. Okay. Prithvi, you should apply. I cannot tell. You may get with 354 gate score in IIT Indore with OBC, but I don't know. Okay, you should apply. There are two program, guys, in IIT Indore. In IIT Indore also, there are two program, MTech also and MTech research. So Prithvi, in IIT Indore, you can apply in both the places. Okay. Any more doubt, guys, on this? Others, which IITs offers sport admission? Yes, many. The well-known is IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, then sometime IIT Madras also. These are well-known. Okay. Any other doubt, guys? Yeah. So why they changed the previous cruise missile MTech program? Why they change IIT Indore cruise missile MTech program? I am not sure cruise missile MTech program. I know about only space technology program in IIT Indore. Ashok with 381 gate score, mostly you will get MTech Aerospace itself. And then artificial intelligence means you have to apply. I don't have any data for that. What is greater? Which is greater means what? MTech research will take more time, and MTech research cutoff will be less. Now, Thana Bost, I will not take your question. Okay, what is the best score in IGC from GATE 2024? I don't have any data as of now. We take data towards end when admission happen that time. Okay. So now these are the other thing which you guys can do. Now GATE exams are over. So you can apply in different jobs based on GATE score or you guys can prepare for upcoming exams like HLDT exam which is usually happen in August, July, August month around. In future if DGCA conduct any exam you guys can appear for that. You guys can also appear for ICRB mechanical stream paper. You guys can also appear in FCAT exam or Airport Authority of India junior executive exam and all. Prithvi, with GATE A score, yes, you can apply in AI courses, but this year, guys, already GATE DA paper available. GATE DA paper. So I'm not sure how much preference will be given to non-GATE DA papers. Yeah, DRDO cutoffs also will discuss. Okay, I have to open that Excel. I am not kept in this PPT. I'll write from IGC what data we have. Okay, like those who got for interview call, I will share that data. Okay, so these are the important links, guys. You guys can always visit. Now, GATE exam is over, so you guys must visit these links. No, IIT and Indore, our student did only in space technology. Nobody did in defense system. I don't know about that course. Ankita, whatever story till now we have discussed, you go through that. If you are having EWS with 396 gate score, then only IIT may be possible. Or 396 gate score means you have to apply for research programs. If you get call for interview, work hard for SAM and crack it and then get in IIT. NL do not recruit scientist position, only part-time position, only JRF, project engineer, project, these posts. They recruit scientists with masters and very less vacancies comes. So now, guys, that's all about this session. And one more part which is pending, I'll just share. Before that, admissions are open for GATE 2025 and 2026. So, guys, those who are watching this session, if they have not done that well, if they are not satisfied with their result, they can always join IGC course for GATE 2025. And best GATE course from IGC is online coaching program, which has everything required for an average students to do well. Okay. That question, Thana Toast, you asked to NL people only. Okay. I am not answerable for that, or you can ask to government. So in our online live interactive classes, we provide live interactive classes first, then recording of live classes, e-study material, topic-wise assignments, online best mock exams, doubt support, post-gate guidance, PSU guidance, and many more. And guys, I am happy to share even non-aero students can get kind of AER2 from IGC support. Okay. Others, MTech Thermal. Uh, Usually, others cutoff for thermal mechanical is higher. Okay, in IIT Madras, you may not get mostly, but you can apply. There is no harm in applying. Now, these are our track record 2024 brief result I have already shared, yet we have not, looked into the whole result. And these are our 2023, 2022, and 2021 track records. And these are our recent PSU job achievers in DRDO, ADA, HL, and DGCA interview is in progress. Okay. So IGC have got students in DRDO, ADA, HL, earlier also in DGCA, then BALE also, Bharat Electronics Limited also, we have got our student. Yeah. Now, guys, any more question? And let me share that cutoff part for DRDO. Meanwhile, okay. Meanwhile, let me share the cutoff part for DRDO. So, so, guys, if you take general, the cutoff, the guy who got called for interview was 726. Okay, in last recruitment, but the number of positions were more. 27 positions were there. Okay, for ADA and DRDO together. So general cutoff was 726 for DRDO and ADA. Okay, like those who got shortlisted for interview. And then from IGC, these data are for IGC student. I don't know about other. And in EWS, the cutoff was 60, not 603. In fact, it was less than that. uh, I think one guy called Nitesh, his AR was 134 in GATE 2021. So let me check his result. Give me one moment, guys. So GATE 2021 result. Nitesh GATE score. Okay. I think, guys, uh, uh, I cannot currently get the data. Okay, but it was like 580 plus around. Okay, in EWS. Now, guys, the next, which is OBC. So, guys, for OBC from IGC, the lowest is 560. Lowest is 560, and guys, the last is SCST. In SCST, 439. Okay, from IGC. So these cutoff datas are only of IGC students got shortlisted for DRDO interviews, DRDO and ADA interviews. So clear? No, usually it is not 2 year program. MS, it's like it takes 2 to 3 years. MS usually take 2 to 3 years. So Webab, are you there? Ravi, so it's clear? No, there was no written, only direct interview. For aerospace, for aero AE paper, guys, there is no written. Directly for gate AE score holder, gate AE holder, direct interview. Okay. You, sir, like Sanket, na, they will take written test and all. You have to apply first. Then they will take written test and all. Okay, so guys, those who are watching this session, they can thumbs up if this session was useful. And if guys having any more doubt, can ask quickly. Guys, quickly thumbs up to this session if session was useful, and do like this session if you guys find it was useful session. Okay. So any more doubt? Those who are watching this session on YouTube or on internal IGC platform, I already given Niranjan all my suggestion. If you have joined this session late, you can refer this session back. Niranjan, you have good chances to get in old IITs like IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, and main IIT Bombay also. If you are not and if you are not having reservation, IIT Madras may be tough. Yeah, tell what is your doubt, Abhishek? What was your doubt? No, no, favorite subjects. The questions will be from your area of interest. For MS or direct PhD, they will either give syllabus or they will ask questions from your area of interest. Yeah, you have to provide SOP. We have discussed a lot, Suba, on that. SOP preparation and all. You have to submit brief research proposal, and we have given last year session also on how to prepare SOP. That's where you have to check. Are they allowing Gate AE paper for machine design or not? That I'm not sure. Yeah, math is always there, Mukund. Math will be favorite for all IIT professor. In fact, they may ask in interview also. For ISC, IIT, math is always favorite, apart from basic subjects. Then you can explore. I am not sure. Okay, fine. So, any more question, guys? So Ajinkya, Akash, Amit, Ashwin, Balaji, Devendra, Arshita, Mohan, Moksh, Mukund, Niranjan, Niveda. Niveda, are your all doubt clear? Parth, Payal, Prajwal, Raval, Ravi. Shatvik, Sanket, Shrey, Shubha, Vishnavi, and all. Uh, Shrey, you can go through the session by um from IIT Delhi guy, who is now PMRF. His name is I think Tomer. Some Tomer is there. Okay, you guys should go through all IGC previous post gate sessions. You guys will get many details. 485 Thana tossed. I don't know. From IGC, the guy who got call last is 134 area in gate 2021. Okay, you may be knowing better than me, Thana tossed. Okay, anybody? Yeah, it's possible, Parth. There is no count on performance and all. Nothing. You can use the same gate score and you can reshuffle. This year, with the one gate score here and next year some other place. People have done previously. And some of them now are scientists. Okay. One guy is scientist in DRDO, earlier joined DIIT, then left, joined IIT Kharagpur. Now DRDO scientist. One guy in IIT Madras joined Ocean MS, then left, joined IIT Bombay, and now NL scientist. So all this possible. Yeah, I have given now one of IIT our IGC student joined unmanned aerial system course UAS. You refer na IGC postgrad session on IIT Kanpur. Now Modi ji want to make drone didis, right? Modi ji want to make drone didis, drone dida, right? So many drone manufacturing companies will be there, right? And so many applications are having, right? Drone applications. So that field will grow. It will boom. There is no written test. Thanatos we already know for DRDO. Okay, done guys. So let's wind up this session. So thank you guys for joining this session. I hope I have answered most of the queries. Yes, Balaji Ashwin, if you guys have any query, quickly ask. Otherwise, I will wind up this session. Because I cannot answer all the queries in person, so I thought to have this session and share all the details with facts. Yeah, we will do a session on COP also. We will share a recorded session or we may do a session on COP. Okay? Yeah. Done. Okay, guys. All the best. Take care, guys. And again, congratulations, guys, for your good result. And guys, not to worry. Everybody worry on result day, but once admission happens, then there will be no worry. Then you guys should worry to perform well in wherever you get your admission. Thank you all. All the best, guys. Okay, guys. So, guys, for further details and information regarding gate support by IGC, can reach on this number or can write a mail to us, or you can visit IGC website. You guys can follow us on different social media platforms. You can also subscribe our YouTube channels for further updates. Thank you all, guys. All the best.